Hello viewers, good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to use the formula count in Excel sheet. So here you see there are count A, count blank, count if and count ifs. So these 5 formula I'm going to show you. So for example, here is a table, serial number, and I put some letter over here, and the numbers is from 0 1 9 something like that, and I put the order words. So what is count? As you see, count actually count how many numbers here. Okay, so here is 21 numbers, so it counts 21, but I select the range from here to here, this whole table, but it still is count 21. Why? Because count actually count the number, not any letter. Okay, so this is the formula. You see, from D to F I select this one. Next, count A. Count A is actually count both the number and the letter. Here you see, that's why the the count A is, this is the formula, count A, and you put the range, so it counts 63. Here is actually 63. There is no null. If there is something like, if I vanish something, then you see the number is reduced. Okay, well, I undo again. Now next, go to count blank. Here is you see the blank, there is actually no blank. Okay, that's why it is 0. So if there is something like blank, then it counts 10, and the count A also reduce. Now we go count if. Here actually we put some condition, like we want to count the formula I put here for easy understanding. Okay, so I want to count E with this range, so it counts how many count E here. As you see, there are 4 E. Okay, it counts 4. So if you count like P, not here, need to change here. So if you count P, then it will go 1. So there is, this is word. Okay, so the it the formula only counts only P, not any single P from words. That's why here is only 4 E and 1 P, like this. Now we go to next formula, count ifs. Count ifs is actually, we can input multiple condition. Previously we put only one condition. We want to count E. Now for count ifs, we want to count E which is value is 1. Here you see the column D, this column we count E. How many E? 4 E. And we count 1 from E column. So here you see only 1. Here is 4E, but only 2 1. Other values are different, so that's why it count 2. And if you apply more condition, like count E which is value is 1, and which is corresponding word is leaf, I mentioned, so it counts this one only, not the other one. Okay, because these are different ones. So this is the technique actually how to use count. In my next video I will discuss about average average a, average if, and average ifs. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed.